This video demonstrates the acoustic to electric drum kit conversion that I performed on my Pearl export. Instead of being a loud subpar acoustic kit, it's now run through a VDrum DDTI module and Logic Pro X to create professional sounding drums while still being able to be played like a regular kit. I was inspired to do this conversion by a video series which showed a similar process. I'll provide the link to this and I highly recommend checking it out. This is the converted snare shell without the skin. A round piece of 5mm MDF is mounted to the side of the shell and holds a black foam square and a blue foam cone, in between which sits the main piezo. The tip of the blue cone sits 1 to 2 mm above the rim of the snare shell, so when the skin is fitted, the force of each hit is transferred through it to the piezo. A second piezo is mounted directly to the MDF circle, which generates a separate signal when hitting the rim of the drum. I invested in Remo silent stroke drum heads for each drum, and this is what they sound like. Finally, I fit a black rubber tubing to line the hoop. Then you just grab a TRS cable, plug it into the output jack on the underside of the drum and connect it to the VDrum DDTI module. This module receives the hits from the piezos that are mounted to the kit and translates them to a MIDI signal that a computer can read. From here you can fine-tune things like hit sensitivity, responsiveness, and you can sync up particular drums on the kit itself to generate the corresponding drum sound that you like in Logic. So we'll just have a quick look at a typical Logic Pro X drum sound before demonstrating the kit in action. I've opened a new project and created a software instrument track. I'll select a producer kit, the SoCal, and we'll hear those kit pieces individually. Now let's hear those sounds as generated by the kit. So each hit of the drum is being sent to a piezo, which sends a message to the DDTI module, which sends its own message to Logic Pro, which finally generates the sound of the drum. Let's have a look at some of the ways Logic allows you to manipulate these drum sounds from within the program itself. You can dampen the sound of each kit piece, adjust the pitch, and select different kit pieces according to the type of sound you're going for. If you need a drier sound, you can turn the leak, overheads and room effects off, and you've got the option of editing toms individually or as a group. I'll load another Logic kit and see how this sounds using the converted acoustic kit. This one sounds like something Mac DeMarco might use. Now I'll try the Vintage Breaks producer kit. This one reminds me of some of the drum sounds from Unknown Mortal Orchestra's first album. In addition to using traditional kit sounds, with a bit of programming of the VDrum module, you can also use other types of percussion such as Logic's orchestral percussion. So you can see all the types of percussion instruments in this preset. I've taken some time to assign each piece of the acoustic drum kit to generate a particular sound within Logic's orchestral preset. So that's my converted acoustic kit in action using Logic Pro's inbuilt drum sounds and the VDrumTips. Hope you enjoyed the video.